Merry early Christmas, guys. EmberBurnsBlack here, and I'm going to make jar cookies. And these are going to be a giveaway for one lucky subscriber. Watch the rest of the video to find out not only how I make it, but how to enter to win this jar. So this is basic cookies in a jar. So for this, I'm just going to take a regular old mason jar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it with the dry ingredients. Make sure I got everything up. So I'm going to take half a cup of brown sugar. Okay, here's my half a cup of brown sugar. But I'm going to spoon it out gently, make sure it all gets in. I'm going to shake that up. One-third of a cup sugar. Put that in the jar. Slightly shake it. Next, I'm going to add a cup and a half of flour. Now that the flour is in, I'm going to give it a little shake again. Next, add a teaspoon of baking soda. Here is a spoon of baking soda on top. Okay, and now with the baking soda, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, not a lot. Next, you seal up your jar. Okay, next you want to write out all the directions. Now that you have your cookie directions written out, find a nice garland. I found one with pretty little stars that I had never been used at a craft store. Next, take the card that you have written out and attach it with a ribbon. I have this here and here. Then I'm going to tape it again. I have so much flour on it, it's hard to tape. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to win a jar, first off, you have to be subscribed to my channel. If you haven't already, please go ahead and do that. The second rule, you have two options. You can donate to my PayPal, Patreon, or Cashapp. Any donation for the drawing for this jar. The other way to enter, totally free, is to have a friend subscribe to my channel. The friend needs me who recommended them, and then they will be available as well for the drawing if they have come with somebody else. So I will have a drawing on December 15th, and then I will start sending this out to the. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.